Man, this weather is giving back-to-back cold. So something just came in. I decided to try something for Melody. So I decided to get her a pole. I decided to get this for her so that I will start training her on time. This is a potty pole. Yes, she'll be pulling, and this is the cover. I saw this online. This is perfect. It closes so well. So I saw this online and I decided to get it for her so that I will start training her as early as possible. Okay. I don't know how she'll see it, but I think it's a bit early, or it's okay, because just 1 year she will start using it. Okay, so I got this from Aliexpress, like I always buy things from there. I saw this beautiful pole and I bought it. It was quite cheap compared to what I was seeing. That day was sales period, so I said to get it for her so that she will start using it. Then I got this silicone kitchen spoons. I've always wished to have this in my home. I like it so well because my husband is against using plastic. Like literally my husband threw away our plastic kitchen sets away. So I said to get this silicone kitchen spoons. It's a set, okay, and it came with this beautiful cups. It was written actually that it came with this cup, kitchen and dinner, okay, dining, sorry, kitchen and dining cooking utensils set. So it comes with this. They said it's 10 pieces, right? I don't know. I'm not sure if it's 10 pieces, but I think it's 10 or 12 pieces. And okay, I'll show you guys everything in it one after the other. So we have this. This is like a spatula. You can use it to turn your semo, gari, fufu, akpu, and all that. So this is the first one. Okay, so this is the second one. This one is even the most. Is it this one or this one is the most reason why I got these two? Because sometimes I'll be frying egg, I wouldn't know how to flip it around because my husband has threw away the one I was using before. So these are all silicones, okay? They are high fire resistant. So this one is the second one. This one is for me to flip what I'm frying or whatever. And this is the third one. This serves as the same reason if you're flipping something, maybe egg. This one will be more useful when you're frying something like buns, puff, and all that, akara and co. So this is the third one. This is the fourth one. This one is for maybe after you must have finished your semo, you can use this one to dish it out. So it will look so beautiful and appetizing. So this is the fifth one for turning your egg, for mixing, maybe baking cake, baking puff, all those things, okay? So mixing your egg and all that. So this is beautiful. Okay, this is the fifth one. Then this is the sixth one. This brush, maybe you're making meat pie, you're making bread, whatever you can use to brush with egg, with oil, you can use this one to brush it. That is the sixth one. So seventh is this one, and this one can serve for same purpose. I don't know if this one can serve for rice, but it can serve for soup because it's not that deep, okay? Then this is the seventh one. This is the eighth one. How do you operate this? I don't even know. Whoa, I don't know how to use this one. I think, hey, if you know how to use this one, drop it in the comment section. This is one of the reasons why I bought this as well. Maybe you're frying meat, okay, you can just do this. I don't know if it opens more than this. I think no, or if you think it opens more than this, please tell me in the comment section how it's used. Whoa, I don't, but okay, see, oh, hey, see, okay, this is how you do it. I'll leave it like this because I don't know if I remember how to do it again. Okay, this is for closing, while this is for opening. Okay, you can just be taking your stuff. Maybe sometimes I will make meat. I'll be using, let me show you what I used to turn my meat, and it can be, this is what the Italians use, but it's too small. This one you can just take the meat and maybe the chicken and you turn it, but this one is just like this. This one is better for me. So this is the 8th one, like, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the 9th one. This one and this one can go for same purpose. Okay, this is the 9th one. If my husband sees this thing, my husband will be like, oh, where's all plastic? Like, you've gotten plastic again. I'll be like, no, this is silicone. This is the 10th one. I have this. I have 2 of this. I have this and I have this, but this one is plastic, but it's a thick plastic. Why this one is iron? Why this one is silicone? Okay, so I'm happy I got this finally. So this is the 10th one, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, it's 11 in one, 11 sets of kitchen gadgets. So this one is for the soup, for your pepper soup, for everything that is watering. This is the one you use and you carry it and put in your plate. So that is that for this set. I'm happy I got this. I'm so happy. At least I have everything in one. I'll just keep it. This one is no more like putting it inside the wardrobe, but this one I can easily leave it here. Then the next thing I'll work towards is, maybe by God's grace, next year I will as just next year, my next purchase should be getting kitchens, what is it called, pots, getting rid of my old pots on the ones I think are no longer okay. So this one is a gift someone gave to my baby girl for her birthday. Okay, so this one is a gift for baby. We are not celebrating anything for her. So someone got this gift for Chimamanda my daughter. And what is this? They said it's snacking toy. Oh, okay, let's see. Okay, this is a gift for her. I don't know how it's played. I think it's bringing something and keeping on top. Maybe you bring this one, something like you're building or whatever. Okay, thank you, Auntie Elizabeth. We appreciate. So that is it. Snacking toy. Okay, that is it for that. Okay, thank you. God bless you all.